3.
Hello everyone, my name is Tyler Davis and this is Ram News. Today's trivia question is, how many cards are there in a deck of Uno? Today is National Unity Day, which is the signature event of the National Bullying Prevention Month. Congrats to the winners of this year's BC Calculus Scavenger Hunt, Pham, Alex Witherspoon, and Lea Hernandez-Bauer. Now for a sports update. Our boys golf team won the Heritage Oaks Invitational on Saturday. Aksel Moe shot 69 to win. In their last regular season meet, the Tri-County meet, the boys and girls cross-country teams posted some of the best times of the year. With many personal records, the boys team placed second in the race and the county. Congrats to the following members listed on the screen for placing in the top 20. The girls team also had many personal records, and they placed fifth in the race and third in the county. Congrats to the following members listed below for also placing in the top 20. Next week, the varsity team will compete in the district meet at Northport High. Reminder, our freshman football team will be traveling to Palmetto today. Kickoff is at 6:30. Sarasota County Sheriff's Office is holding a job fair November 5th from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. They're looking for call takers and dispatchers to work in their state-of-the-art Public Safety Communication Center, and the job will be an 8-hour shift during the training academy. After completion, the employees will move to 12-hour shifts. Discovery Academy students who are involved with a mentor through Faces of Accomplishment, First Step, or Take Stock in Children, forms were mailed home and need to be returned to the ESE office 111, Ms. Hamlin's room 5126, or Coach Simmons' office 1143. They must be returned by today in order for you to be invited to their first celebration October 28th. Today's trivia question was, how many cards are there in a deck of Uno? The answer is 108 cards. That's all for now, and have a good day.